Tonight, working to end the stigma on mental health. The community coming together in response to 11-year-old Jalyah Thompson's tragic death and promoting mental health awareness. Eyewitness News reporter Rianne Wiles spoke to those at the NAMI Hope, Healing, and Help event. And Rianne, what were the goals of tonight?
Marissa, tonight was all about educating the community on the help that's available. One of the topics discussed tonight was ensuring people that they don't have to face their struggles alone.
She was a fun girl. Everybody loved to talk to her. They said she liked to joke around. Sometimes you just don't know. Even though you have a smile on your face, you really just don't know.
Jalyah Thompson's great uncle, Daryl Gregg, reflects and honors her life alongside mental health advocates in Rockford at the Hope, Healing, and Help event in response to the 11-year-old's death by suicide. Gregg stepped up as a family member during what he described as the toughest time in his family's lives.
Her mother passed away when she was probably about 2-3 months old. So seeing my nephew deal with another loss in his life, you know, it hurts me to see that.
Lots of community members showed their sympathy and support. Pastor K. Edward Copeland feels heartbroken by Jalyah's death and thinks the entire community can help prevent these sorts of tragedies.
Parents can do all they can do, but the rest of the community has to do what it's supposed to do, and that is surround our children and make sure that parents are being supported, the children are being supported, and those who are working with them are getting everything they need to help them to thrive.
The National Youth Advocate Program was just one of many mental health organizations in attendance, promoting awareness and offering advice to those with loved ones who may be struggling.
See the individual who is going through that trauma. Walk through that process with them. Make them feel like they're not alone in that process.
Copeland believes as a community, we can always be doing more to support one another.
We all need to take responsibility for one another, because either we're going to live together and thrive, or we're going to stay separated and live in trauma and tragedy. And we don't have to live that way. We can come together as a community, and this is an effort to get that started.
Because no one should have to face their battles alone. Copeland hopes tonight's efforts are the start of more conversations surrounding mental health to ensure a more educated Rockford for generations to come.